The future of road cycling has arrived, and it's electric. As we pedal our way into 2024, the world of electric road bikes has reached new heights, delivering a seamless blend of power, performance, and pure riding pleasure. Prepare to be electrified as we unveil the top 5 best electric road bikes that are set to dominate the asphalt in the year ahead. Keep in mind that our selections are in no particular order, so be sure to stick around until the end to find the ideal pick for you. And don't forget to give that like button a tap and hit subscribe for all the latest updates. The Canyon Endurace on 7 is a standout electric road bike, celebrated for its comfort and versatility, making it an ideal choice for cyclists seeking extra assistance on their road adventures. The bike's frame and geometry reflect a sporty yet relaxed design, with a higher stack for an upright position that minimizes shoulder and back strain. The reach is extended, complemented by a shorter stem for enhanced handling. Powered by the Fascia Evasion system, the Endurace on 7 offers a seamless riding experience with 3 assistance modes: Breeze, River, and Rocket, delivering up to 250 watts of power. The 250 watt-hour battery, integrated neatly into the down tube, can be easily removed for charging and provides approximately 90 kilometers of range in Breeze mode. The Shimano GRX Group set ensures reliable performance, featuring an 11-42 cassette and a single 48T front chainring, while the GRX brakes with 160mm rotors offer exceptional stopping power. The bike is equipped with an Alex Rims wheelset and Schwalbe E1 tires, which strike a balance between durability and comfort, with the option for wider tires to tackle off-road terrain. With its combination of advanced technology, user-friendly design, and robust components, the Canyon Endurace on 7 delivers a top-notch electric road biking experience in 2024. The Giant Road E+ Pro emerges as a leading contender among electric road bikes, boasting a blend of high-performance features and cutting-edge technology. Crafted with an Alux SL-grade aluminum frame utilizing advanced welding techniques, this bike delivers a top-notch ride quality. Paired with a composite fork for nimble and responsive handling, it ensures an exhilarating experience on the road. At the heart of its performance lies the SyncDrive Pro motor, generating up to 80 Nm of torque for formidable assistance during demanding rides. The integrated Energy Pack Smart Compact 500 battery, with an option for expansion through the Energy Pack Plus, guarantees extended rides with its ample 500 watt-hour capacity. Smart Assist technology, driven by a 6-sensor system, intuitively adjusts power output to provide a seamless and natural ride. Adding to its appeal is the Ride Control Ergo 2 unit, featuring larger buttons for enhanced accessibility, while the Ride Control app offers connectivity for ride data and system updates via smartphones. Equipped with giant tubeless ready wheels and tires, this bike ensures reduced rolling resistance, enhanced ride comfort, and superior puncture protection. With its powerful motor, smart features, and attention to detail, the Giant Road E+ Pro sets a new standard for electric road biking excellence. The Domane SLR 6 stands out as a premier electric road bike for 2024, boasting a blend of performance, comfort, and state-of-the-art technology. Crafted with an 800 series OCLV carbon frame, it represents Trek's lightest e-bike yet, ensuring agile handling and responsive performance. The incorporation of IsoSpeed technology with a rear IsoSpeed decoupler enhances ride comfort by absorbing road vibrations and bumps, offering a smoother journey. Equipped with a TQ HPR 50 motor producing 50 Nm of torque, paired with a 360 watt-hour integrated battery in the downtube, the Domane SLR 6 delivers extended range. Approximately 60 miles in eco mode, with the option to extend to around 90 miles with an optional range extender. Designed to emulate the feel of a traditional road bike, it features a road-specific tune, narrow Q factor, and intuitive mode change buttons on the hoods for seamless transitions. With clearance for up to 40mm tires, it provides versatility to tackle various road surfaces, from smooth tarmac to gravel paths. The inclusion of a Shimano 105D2 R7100 drivetrain offers affordable, 12-speed electronic performance, while the Trek Central app enables real-time range calculations, activity tracking, custom motor tuning, and navigation features, making the Domane SLR6 a standout choice among electric road bikes. The SuperSix EVO Neo 2 emerges as a pinnacle electric road bike in 2024, harmonizing aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and stellar performance. Its ballast tech carbon frame, featuring an internal downtube battery and integrated cable routing, ensures both agility and durability while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. Powered by the ebike Motion X35 motor and 250 watt-hour battery, the bike offers 3 levels of support, seamlessly blending electric assistance with traditional cycling. Noteworthy is its compatibility with a range extender, boosting the total capacity to 450 watt-hour and functioning as a power bank. The bike's aerodynamic brake line routing and truncated airfoil tube shapes minimize drag, optimizing speed. Its integrated handlebar system reduces drag and absorbs shock, enhancing both speed and comfort, while the SAVE microsuspension technology ensures a smooth ride by absorbing bumps and improving control. The integrated wheel sensor provides accurate ride data and reminders through the Cannondale app, enhancing the overall riding experience. With its blend of innovative features, lightweight design, and aerodynamic prowess, the SuperSix EVO Neo 2 firmly establishes itself as a frontrunner among electric road bikes. The Turbo Creo SL Comp E5 stands out as a premier electric road bike, boasting a combination of lightweight design and seamless riding experience. Crafted with a specialized E5 premium aluminum frame featuring open road geometry, this bike ensures agility and durability while accommodating various riding terrains. Powered by the specialized SL 1.1 motor, which delivers up to 240 watts of silent assistance, riders enjoy a smooth and natural ride amplified by its responsive torque curve. The internal battery offers up to 80 miles of range, with an optional range extender providing an additional 40 miles for tackling challenging landscapes. Connectivity is seamless with the Mission Control app, allowing riders to customize motor settings, monitor battery life, and record rides. The inclusion of the Future Shock 1.5 with 20 millimeters of travel enhances comfort and reduces fatigue, enabling increased speed over rough surfaces. Notably, specialized gender-neutral geometry ensures an optimal fit for all riders, irrespective of gender, enhancing comfort and responsiveness. With its lightweight construction, powerful motor, long battery range, advanced connectivity features, and comfort-enhancing technologies, the Turbo Creo SL Comp E5 redefines the electric road biking experience in 2024.